in the U.S., Canada, Britain, Caribbean, Europe, so on, Mexico. Many people wear modern European, North American clothing hairstyles. Yet I saw young Israeli men with mohawk hairstyles, which is kind of fascinating to me. Yemenite Jewish Israelis in flowing robes, Christian nuns and monks in robes and hoods of a sort I've never seen anywhere, you can see in the States. Muslims, some Christian Orthodox and Orthodox Jewish women wear scarves or other head coverings. I'm not going to read anecdotes about suicide bombings that happened like within a day of my going through certain, going to a public market, kind of like the packed market in Jerusalem, or at a train station, at a bus depot I was at in Tel Aviv. And then I would hear the news the next day that someone blew themselves up. It's just like, whew. Another minute here. At the 2002 Yad Vashem conference I attended, 2 workshops had a profound impact on me. One was led by an Israeli, a Holocaust survivor, who authored and illustrated Holocaust subject children's books. I remember the title of one of them was something like Chico the Dog in the Ghetto, which is interesting. It was kind of unusual at the time. The next year in Seattle, I think it was the next year, 2003, I received an invite from the principal of Mount Zion Baptist Church Sunday summer school, summer youth program. I invited Lord Rolston to join me.